Hey there, Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. I am thrilled to talk about our incredible product from ChemTech, Chem 1000 High Performance Polyaspartic Coating. This isn't your average coating, it's a two-component, low VOC, high solids polyaspartic coating with an impressive 83% solids content. Here's why you'll love it. It's tough, offering superb resistance to chemicals, abrasion, weathering, and UV rays. It's flexible, easy to apply with a squeegee, roller, or spray on any surface, horizontal or vertical. It's quick to dry, can be used as a sealer on porous surfaces, and can be applied to a whopping 30 mils. And did I mention it's versatile? Use it as a base or a top coat on decorative floor systems or for driveways, garage floors, balconies, and walkways. It's available in clear, gloss, and standard colors, and we even offer slip-resistant finish options. So for a superior coating that's easy to use and stands the test of time, give ChemTech Chem 1000 Polyaspartic a shot. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the 3-inch 76mm 5-segment 70 grit concrete grinding disc. Now this is great for if you want to clean up the surface, get rid of any surface contamination. This is a great tool to use. If you're doing grind and seals, this is going to leave the surface profile very fine to the touch. If you are getting rid of residual, this is a great tool. You got a lot of diamond points touching off on the floor. Rounded edges won't leave any rogues, surprise scratches in the surface. It can be used wet and or dry. It can be used on heavy machines and or lightweight machines. This is really a good tool to have for your toolbox. Cost per square foot's probably realistically about 2 cents a square foot, maybe one, at $25.87 each, $232 for a set of 9. I mean, that's a great deal. So for more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to discuss a very classic tool we've been selling for near 2 decades, the full bar 25 grit medium bond grinding plate. Now this has two full bars, which are basically 40 millimeter by 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter. And they're in the bidirectional format, so if you want to go forward or reverse, no problem. You can use them wet and or dry. 25 grits, great for, getting rid of any surface contamination, trying to level off the concrete, get rid of any high spots. Also, if you want to do a stone exposure, if you want to, install a thin buildup like a metallic epoxy or something, great surface profile for it. Its cost per square foot literally is between 1 to 2 cents a square foot. And it's great, again, on light machines, on heavyweight machines. You can run it on higher speeds so the diamonds do not roll over. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the 3-inch 75mm Phantom concrete polishing pad. We've been selling this north of a decade. This is a pad that works great wet and or dry. It's about 10 millimeters thick. It's great on heavy machines, on lightweight machines. And basically, I mean, we've done all our measurements with the right instruments, and we get very high DOIs. Very high gloss numbers, and barely no transfer or haze. And if you guys want to understand, transfer and haze basically makes the floor shiny, but then you have traffic hit the floor, foot traffic or just generic traffic, and all of a sudden the shine goes away and it dusts over. Now we're giving you a true shine, and at $17.16, that's actually about, I would say, 2 cents a square foot. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk about the premium full bar shredders with a tail made for Husqvarna grinders, or whoever has drive plates to be able to take those style of diamonds. So this is a coating removal tool, or it's a tool made to be used on super soft concrete. So this is a tool that's one segment that has a lot of cutting edges. So it's basically in a zigzag format. And it's a titanium metal alloy with a heavy concentration of diamonds. And it has another particular I would call it abrasive, that's similar to aluminum oxide. So that helps keeps the diamonds from rolling over, or like glazing. So this is made for soft build removal, like if you're doing a removal of an underlayment, a thin set, glue, like adhesives, mastic. If you're getting rid of an epoxy, it's a phenomenal tool. It will prep the surface, get rid of the coating, and give you a nice uniform scratch profile, very subtle versus like a PCD, which a PCD might have rogue scratches, etc. if it doesn't have the right stabilizers, like the wear segments with it. So this tool's cost per square foot is around 2 to 3 cents a square foot. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the RF magnetic series for the HTC floor grinders. Now this is so you basically are not married to any proprietary system. I mean, you're basically lining up the tooling for your toolbox that works best for your concrete. And in the end, you probably will be saving like at least a few points, you know? And that adds up by the end of the year. So if you see that the best tooling for the hardest concrete isn't HTC's tooling, and there's some guy in your backyard who sells the best of the best for the hard concrete, you're saved. This is a consumable. This is going to retrofit your grinder. You could take anybody's tooling. All you have to do is ask for the 3 large holes. It's like universal lingo in our industry. And maybe you make your machine more efficient than it currently is. For more information, message me now.